let's now brush on in terms of because some persons, right, we would have some persons they go through college, right, and you go through college, they basically discovered some things for themselves in terms of there, because we are currently doing a questionnaire right now.
Yes.
And the common underlying factor from that questionnaire is that college is not focusing on certain real life skills. For example, one of the thing from that was that college is not teaching us to budget. That was a particular response from an individual. So what is your thought on stuff like that? So real life skills, say for example budgeting, right, money management, stuff like that. Do you believe that college should focus more on stuff like that?
No, the business students, they learn this, and I also believe that during professional development, these things are also taught. And as I said before, through clubs and society, you can also be exposed to these topics. So it's for you now to make sure that you become a part of the avenues that are made available for you while you are at school, because many students go to college or university and
Yes.
they do not participate in anything.
So
how
they're
do you
lumps.
expect to live with those skills?
Yes. So it's important that they read books as well and also self-educate, right?
Yes, and also make use of the opportunities that are made, that are available to them.